do never gonna be enough. I be inside trying to live it up. Off of the old start, you forward a kid, you mess with a monster. Take over no karma, just look at the numbers. Now they all know. Oh yeah, let me pour. Getting on. Ooh, wait, I'm trying to get this shit out of the messes. Fuck a little plat, I got all the schematics. For that little bitch till I'm breaking a mattress. Living my dream or leaving a casket. Buzzing my city, no static.
Yo, yo. Sup, guys? Finally, man, finally. Finally some gains, you know? KTM, Chapel, Mr. Chinook, Furkan, what's up? Yeah. Can you explain your idea behind your long sweat up? Yeah, I will. Setup. Yeah, sure. Well, I was looking for longs from where we were trading at around 30k earlier this week, to be honest. I mean, the main thing I was looking mainly for longs was sentiment. Man, everyone was bearish as fuck, especially in this choppy area this year. Man, everyone was calling for fucking 20k already. Everyone was acting like we were going vertical down while we were just ranging. And that together with a Monday low sweep, clean accumulation, and boom. So ideally, I was looking to get long a little bit lower. Trading view slow again. I wanted to see this low getting swept as well. But man, when I saw this, even yesterday already, when I saw this and this buyback and then down again, up again, whenever you see choppy conditions like this around or below Monday low, man, that's a long for me. And then together with sentiment being that bearish, yeah, I needed to get long. So I longed on FTX yesterday around here, around Monday low. I'm well in profit right now. And I left my orders for on Bybit lower within this area. Well, I can show you the setup. Can't hear you. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? We can. All right, perfect. Yeah, so like I said, I wanted to get long a little bit lower on Bybit, and luckily I filled longs on FTX around this area, so got front run on Bybit, but that's fine. I'm long, and I'm yeah, probably look at us going. Holy shit. Yeah. And so yeah, when, like I said, whenever you get chopped like this with the Monday low sweep, even when there's a kilo right behind, as I said in my group as well, you very often sweep Monday low and front run the low below, because a lot of people are gonna want to get long on this low, just like me. And then we just front run it, chop it, and then when we got this, yeah, I was like, this is gonna squeeze. So I think we're going for these highs first into range high, key, okay, like this. Then maybe retrace into range mean, and then I think we squeeze for Monday high, or maybe squeeze straight up from here. And then next objectives are this and this. But yeah, I mean, don't get too excited, I'd say, because to be honest, I don't like the structure on the daily. I don't like this here. Although we're about to engulf this very bearish daily close, but I would have been more comfortable targeting higher prices for swings if we would have taken out yesterday low, which we didn't. As you can see, barely a wick on this daily candle, barely a wick on the previous one, and we didn't sweep the previous one. If this one would have looked like this, you know, with a little lower wick, I would have felt more comfortable. But yeah, we'll have to see. I mean, I still could see the possibility where we go for the highs from here, do something like this, snap back down, go for the lows, then sweep all of this liquidity, maybe even this, into... I don't think we go for the low here. I think this area should provide a decent bounce. And then from there, everyone will get bearish again. We'll target the new lows. We'll target 20k, which isn't coming. And then boom, goes for higher. Right, let's read the chat quickly. Why did you suddenly stop being profitable? Well, it's not that I stopped being profitable. Well, maybe it was, but yeah, I just had a couple losses in a row and didn't really trade well during this downside, to be honest. In this area, I mean, from here I did some nice trades. From here I was long, for example, but yeah, from this area I sucked and was long in here. Thought we wouldn't see 28k. But anyways, we're back. It's all about surviving and not risking your whole account. So when you have periods like that, you're still in the game and can survive. So yeah, there we go. Already made back a good chunk of what I lost. So long-term Twitter follower here. Nice work on getting some profit. Thanks, man. You are playing some schizoid techno and dropping truth bombs. Yeah, now this copyright-free music, hip-hop is playing again. But it's not an official stream anyway, so I'm just gonna play the music I want. Corn is so much stronger than thread right now. Hello, George. Yo, what's up, Peter? Will you focus Bitcoin only or alts for Bitget competition? Bitget competition will probably focus on Bitcoin because, I mean, I almost always focus on Bitcoin mainly, so I'm a better Bitcoin trader than in anything else. I suck at trading alts, to be honest, so gonna focus on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm excited, man. We have like 40 people in the group for the competition. I mean, it's a weird format. It's not like in P&L. It's not that the winner is the group with the biggest P&L, but it's pure USDT profit. So yeah, we'll have to see how we do, but minimum entry was 300 USDT, and I think most of us are starting with that. So yeah, you could argue that people who start with like 100k will get profit much faster, but it's in both ways, you know. If they lose 50k, they're down 50k in total. So I think it's safer starting with smaller balances and see how you do, and go from there. And if you're down bad at the end, I might just deposit, yeah, I don't know, 10k or something, and go from there. What's the name of the song? I'll copy it in the chat. 47s are watching. Guys, put some love, like the stream. Yeah, like the stream, please. 29.7 first or 32k in your opinion? 32 all the way. Man, we just front ran everyone who wanted to long here. This is at least going for this high, in my opinion, before any more downsides. And you'll see the weekly will look amazing. I think this weekly closes green. And if it does that, I think draw will be on last week's high. This. Yep. So we might do something like this, sweep the highs, then chop a little more. And then we'll have to see if we sweep these lows in the next week. I will look to re-long, and then target will be here. And then see from there. Yeah, see liquidity resting slightly below Monday high and below this, so might take some off around here and then hold the rest for higher. But yeah, we'll see. Around this is a solid area for take profits, I think. Above these poor highs, all of these. We almost took them out already, so I need to keep my eyes on these. Something like this possible. Yeah, that area lining up beautifully with clean range high level, so we gotta be careful there. If we sweep this and get rejected, could see some downsides. If we don't, close strong above here, range and hold above, yeah, then I think we're off for all of these. At least this. Around 32.5. Do you like Savant's music? No clue. I don't know who that is. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat and I'll see what I can do. But it's such a classic trap that we saw today. Like, it was so textbook, this. It happened recently as well, but yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna find it. Let's see if there's an indicator with all Monday highs and lows. What's this? The fuck? Oh, it's... This ain't... Is this right? The fuck? No, it's not. Peter, what's up? Yeah, I know Spaceman indicator, but I need one that shows every Monday high and low, not only this week's. So I can look for previous traps where we had exactly the same as this. Because it happened like a couple weeks ago, exactly the same. And then I missed the move, I remember. It was, yeah, I think was later in the week, like on a Friday evening or something, and yeah, I didn't catch the move back then, but now I surely did. Do you use volume for any of your trades? Nope. Volume can be very misleading in my opinion, so it's better to just ignore it. Damn, I saw the pattern, but price didn't sweep yesterday low, so I choose to stay flat. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Most people here were waiting for this low to get swept or were fucking bearish. I mean, and that's the ingredients you need for a squeeze, which is why I called. Which is why I was that bullish. I think I warned you enough. Do you shorts also? I like longing more, to be honest, but I surely do if there's a clean setup. But down here, man, shorting is... I don't like shorting down here. I will if there's a clean setup, but yeah, I think you want to be looking for longs here. KNC, I'm just gonna do Bitcoin this stream, I'm not gonna do altcoins. This is playing out beautifully. Posted this as well. Did you lost anything by Luna or UST, any spot holdings? Nope. When all these alts go parabolic, I don't make that much because I don't hold alts, but yeah, when stuff like this happens, I'm also not affected by it because I don't really hold alts. We were so close to sweeping the 4-hour low. Yeah, I know. I would have longed more if we would have gotten one more wick. If we would have dumped from here one more wick, it would have been quick and you'd need to have your orders in. Then I think we would have done something like this, and then quick wick, and then boom, buyback, close here, and then see continuation like we did here. Where is your first target? Probably gonna take some off at these highs here, because that's key liquidity above them and key resistance above them. The highs here that got swept, key lows, key highs, sorry, right below those, below that range low, below that range high level. So if we sweep this in there, then probably, but I mean, I think I'm gonna keep most, because I think at this point this just squeezes for Monday high at least, and then at that point probably take out this as well. In your opinion, is 32.5 is the minimum target for weekly close? Maybe not for weekly close, but I think that area is coming very soon, and much sooner than a lot of you think. Trading Bitcoin and ETH is the only logical trades for me. A wide speed portfolio is distracting and you make more losses. Yeah, for some people it works, for some it doesn't. For me personally, I trade Bitcoin much better than alts, and I suck at timing alts, so I stick to Bitcoin. We got the same like this in 40k range, also main low, didn't sweep, and we gone up. Yeah, exactly, it was exactly the same as this. I also remember, but yeah, I don't know where. Yeah, probably not gonna find it like this, but nah. Do you play demand, supply, or only liquidity plays? Liquidity sweeps? Both. I combine them. The best thing you can do... okay, 1 second. Let's play some chiller music. So when you're looking for a trade, you always want to look for as much confluence as possible. And what I mean with that is you don't blindly short a sweep of highs, or you don't blindly long a sweep of lows. What you want to be looking for in setups is a sweep of, first of all, key highs and key lows. What separates a key high or a key low from just a high or a low is when you zoom out, you're gonna see that the high or the low is isolated. For example, this one is isolated. There's nothing here and nothing here. So this one is gonna have a lot of stops above it, right? Or this one is also isolated, nothing here and nothing here. And then you want to look for sweeps of those lows into demand or into supply, and that's when you get your the highest probability setups. Look for sweeps of those highs into supply, into an area where you saw that price consolidated and then broke down, right? If price makes a high below, then dumps a little, then sweeps the highs into that area. People who are selling here, right, and building shorts, gonna want to defend this area, because if it goes above here, they're underwater, so they're gonna defend this. So price very often sells off from there, and if you combine that with a sweep of the highs into that area, and then ideally you see some key level, for example, in this area as well, like a weekly open or a daily open or a monthly open, stuff like that. That's when you get your high probability setups. And exactly the same with longs. If you see, for example, something like this, and price comes down there again, front runs the area, then sweeps the low into that area, and you have, for example, the weekly open resting here, look for longs here. Then you have an easy invalidation below this area. You know, if it goes below there, this is not just a sweep of the lows anymore. This is more likely to go a lot lower. So invalidation below, and then targets the highs. That's how I mostly trade. Bitcoin is in the supply pocket at the moment, 33 to 36 breakthrough, 31k top of the range. Let's go. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if it stops here, it hasn't swept any of these highs, so then I think the retest holds, you know. If it starts ranging here, dips will get bought, and it's likely we see another spike, at least to take out these. So yeah, let's see what we got here. What we get here. Would be nice if we sweep these highs tonight, because we gotta go in like 2 hours. will be able to watch the stream again when it's over? Probably not, because I played music that's copyright. Yeah, well, fuck it, so video will probably get removed, so yeah, I'll see. If it's not, you will be able to, but if it is, you won't be able to. But yeah, I mean, it was just a quick live stream. Wanted to talk about why this happened. And why it happens every time. Over and over again. Nice hourly close. 4-hour close as well. Yeah, I think this dips, if we dump straight from the 4-hour open or close, dips in here should get bought. And I think we at least see this get swept. So maybe this and then this, or first this and then this. But then I'd feel less comfortable longing here for a scalp or something. Well, if it goes there first, then makes sense to look for longs on the retest of this. Keep your stops below here. Something like this maybe. But yeah, not the best risk rewards. 1.5 is fine. So yeah, let's see what happens here. I gotta go now for a while. Still expecting this area rather sooner than later. And from here we'll have to see. Reclaim this and hold above. Probably easily goes for these highs. All of these. If it doesn't, does something like this. Spikes above, breaks back below. Could look for a short back to Monday low, and these equal those. But yeah, we'll see. For now, I'm still in my long, targeting here, and we'll probably keep some open and see how we do. look for weakness first before closing and see from there. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we get. If you like the stream, feel free to leave a like, although I don't know if the stream is gonna be on YouTube after this. But yeah, it was a nice one. Just a quick stream with my thoughts. Hope you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.